All right, so we're not that busy right now, and my staff is just so chilling right here, but I got a special treat for my head chef. I'm gonna take him on, I'm a little overexposed, aren't I? Let me just drop down this ISO real quick. That's better, right? That's better, right? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna surprise my head chef with a little adventure here. Aaron, are you ready for an adventure, buddy?
I'm ready, yes, I'm ready.
Are you ready to do it?
Yes.
All right, man. Put those tomatoes down and come with me. We're about to go do something crazy, all right? You gotta carry this briefcase.
Oh, yeah?
It could be $1 million or it could be something else. I don't know.
Oh, wow.
All right, let's do it.
Price.
Mason? You haven't been on the vlog since 4th of July.
What am I gonna do on the vlog?
Just say hello.
Hello.
Time is a little bit of the essence because the sun is about to set and we're gonna do something epic. You ready, bro?
Yeah, I'm ready. Look at my money. I'm about to Mexico.
We gotta get on the riser roof here. What's that say there?
Stop.
You can't enter, right? You think it's illegal?
What?
If we break in?
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay? How we break it?
We're gonna see. All right, let's see. So I just texted the landlord. He gave me the code. So the code is. Oh no, we're in, bro.
Wow, wow.
We're in.
Oh man.
Oh no.
I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Dude, don't be scared. How tall is that up there? Wait, is there a flashlight? Okay. Oh my goodness, that's a tall ladder. Making good progress. How high I am. Hold on, you doing it back there, bud?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm down.
Okay. It's like a really janky ladder, but we gotta make it to the top. Here, almost to the top. All right, we gotta bust the roof open. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me get up here. Oh, whoa, whoa, almost fell. So what we're gonna do is, I was thinking since it's kind of slow at the restaurant, let's get the drone up in the air. I got a drone here, and I want Chef Aaron to fly it with me. But in my backpack behind me, I brought some beer too. Alright guys, that was the end of an epic rooftop vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage.
I like it.
Dude, you got some good drone footage,
Yeah.
man. You got a lot of good shots.
I like it. That's good.
We scared the cows a little bit though, didn't we?
Yeah.
Anyway, nothing beats sipping on some MYTHOS beer, rooftop, on a slow Saturday night, right?
Yeah, a little slow, but
It's okay. We're gonna get it next time. We're gonna get it next time.
Of course, yeah.
You guys obviously know my head chef, Aaron Campo, has been by my side since day one. So it's always cool to treat him to a little adventure and have a little fun with life, right?
Right.
Before you guys head out, make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment below. Least you can do is hit that like button, and we will see y'all in the next video. Got it?
Good.
Okay.